Have you ever wondered if the eyeglass repair kits you see sold are worth it? Hi, this is Glenn with All-American Eyeglass Repair. We've been in business for more than 30 years, and that's a question we get several times a week. My overall resounding answer is yes, if you know how to use the tool and what it's designed for. These eyeglass repair kits generally sell for between about $2 and $7. The price will be dictated by what's in the kit. Let me show you one that's here right now. This one here comes with a keychain. There's also a Phillips head blade, a flathead blade, and this here is actually a nut driver that comes with 3 nuts. It came with 4 different screws. Great to utilize to help tighten up your frame. When do these kits not come into play? Well, when your frame is bent, or in this case, if you have a broken hinge. When that happens, you may need to visit a repair facility. The eyeglass repair kits can be very handy and valuable to have around the house, around the car, for various tune-ups. When it's more detailed than that, contact All-American Eyeglass Repair. We have 17 locations in 7 different cities. Or if you need to mail them in, go to our website, contact us directly with any questions you have about your frame. All-American Eyeglass Repair, because you need to see now.